Basic Architect. Yeah, I'm down here. You can probably tell by the view, we're out at our Riverside project. Instead of being upstairs taking in the view, we're actually down in the basement here. And this room is actually pretty interesting. There's a bunch of little things happening here. But basically, I'm in the homeowner's workshop. He's an avid woodworking hobbyist. So he's going to have all of his equipment laid out in here and do the work. He's going to have a view like that every day. We also made sure that we provided him with access to the outside. So we have our door to the outside. It also, it does vent. I don't know why that one is catching, but we'll get that adjusted. Anyways, it is a tilt turn. Notice we have all of our plywood here. This is what we're going to put up on the wall here so that he can hang stuff from it, put shelves, equipment, all of that stuff. Highly more durable than obviously the drywall. We have a bunch of services in here. One to include compressed air. Right. So we have our insulated cavities above, but over here you can see we have our Franklin panel. You're probably wondering what the Franklin panel is. Well, that is our battery system. So we have a pair of Franklin batteries that are going to go here. Now, what's really interesting is, this is the first time I'm doing this on a house, is that it isn't tied to a PV array on the outside. This jurisdiction here, or our electrical supplier here, is such that the rates during the afternoon get significantly lowered as we move into the evening. So what the homeowner plans on doing is he's going to charge his batteries for the house through the night at about half of the electrical rate. That is the high point of the afternoon, and then he'll use his batteries basically to run the house. So he's basically running the house on 50% rate or less than what everybody else is paying to operate their houses in the afternoon around here. So you can see we have our panels. We can have this. I could bust this open. I'd love to be able to tell you what's happening inside there, but I don't really have a clue, and I'll be honest with you there. So I'm not going to talk about it. I just know that that's our Franklin battery system, and that's why that's going in. You can also see over here, coming through the ICF, we have, these are our intakes that go in out, our loops that basically go in and out to the well outside. We have a geothermal heating system here that is going to provide the source for all of our heating and cooling needs. But yeah, workshop, but it's not just everybody's workshop. There's a lot of things going on. We even have the little siren here, so we know when the dust collection system isn't working properly and that the bag needs to get changed out there. So he even has a little alarm in there for that. But anyways, who wouldn't want a little workshop like this right downstairs in the basement of their own house, huh? Anyways, I'm Steve, Basic Architect. This is the Riverside project, and this is our little tour of the workshop.